I was attracted to the financial industry early in life. I started during high school. I would wake up at 3:30 in the morning to go stock shelves at the local supermarket, leaving my afternoons free to work in the family business. My father, whose early career was in accounting, taught me my first lessons in financial management, business, and accounting. And fairly rapidly, fairly soon, I was doing the accounting for the family business. The advice I would give a CFO is to early on become involved in business at any level in business. As a CFO, you have to understand the entire organizational responsibility. And so become involved in an organization at any level early on. Have a passion for business, have a passion for growth, and have a passion for building those relationships that can help a company grow and expand. As a company, we want to create opportunities for employees to live their dreams, to be able to grow and expand and to ultimately live their dreams. And through creating a successful organization, we believe we can do that.